Life is not about peace, but if you do not know peace, you shall never know life. These days it's become fashionable, or I would say a certain level of desperation, that people will say that the ultimate goal of life is to become peaceful. Well, look at this. Can you enjoy this beautiful river if you're not peaceful? Can you enjoy the fresh air that you breathe if you're not peaceful? Can you enjoy the breakfast that you eat if you're not peaceful? So peace is not the ultimate goal. It is a fundamental requirement within your psychological makeup to even taste life. So, life is not about peace for sure. Peace is definitely not the goal of life, but it's a fundamental requirement. If you don't have or if you do not fulfill this requirement, you shall not live. You will be one chaotic mess in your head. You will not live, you will not experience the beauty, the fragrance and the power of life. The power of being alive comes to you only because at least you have become peaceful. If you become joyful, if you become blissful, if you become ecstatic, you will know many more dimensions of life. But at least you have become peaceful, now you will taste life. Now you know life. Today is supposed to be World Peace Day. World is the way it is. It's only human beings who need to know peace in their minds and their hearts. Then the world is just a manifestation of that.